Hey everybody, ready to spice up your cooking routine? I'm thrilled to introduce my latest creation, FlavorFusion. Developed with the innovative AI, ChatGPT, FlavorFusion is about to turn your kitchen into a culinary adventure zone. This groundbreaking app generates delicious recipes based on your personal preferences and the ingredients you have on hand. That's right, no more mealtime boredom or wasted food. So let's dive in and explore what FlavorFusion has to offer. You can download the app from the link in the description and the pinned comment below. It's time to bring the fusion of flavors into your kitchen. Right off the bat, we're on the home page. Notice these dietary preferences. Personalized cooking just got a whole lot easier. Now let's say I've got some random ingredients at home. Watch this. Ta-da! A recipe generated just for me. Look at this, a picture of the meal, detailed ingredients list, nutritional info, and step-by-step instructions. But the awesomeness doesn't stop there. Here you can listen to the recipe and instructions, save for later, share with friends, or copy the recipe. But check this out, want to shop for ingredients? Tap here and get everything delivered to your doorstep from Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods Market. And guess what? Instacart works too. Back on the recipe page, let's save this recipe, give it a name, choose a category, and bam, saved. Need more inspiration? Let's just put in salmon and boom, a new recipe. Look at this, all our recipes in one place. Tap one and it's right there for you. Even better, you can search your stored recipes. Watch this, I type in chicken and here they all are. But wait, there's more. Want a specific recipe like chicken Alfredo? Boom, here it is. Feeling a vegetarian lasagna tonight? Let's get that for you. But if you're feeling adventurous, try the random recipe generator. Let's see. Lemon garlic shrimp linguine, delicious. To recap, you can search by ingredients, look up a specific recipe, view your saved recipes, or roll the dice on a random recipe. And we'd love to hear from you. Hit the feedback button and let us know your thoughts. One more thing, I've just updated my other app, FlickFusion, your go-to app for movie and TV show recommendations. Now with added ability to choose your streaming networks, make sure to check it out. So there you have it folks, FlavorFusion, your new best friend in the kitchen. Download now and let the FlavorFusion begin. Until next time, happy cooking.